this type of event is all about getting the guys to break through limitations, figure out what they really want out of life, and then set a course to achieve it.
It's been absolutely incredible meeting people that not only are in the work just like I am, they're going through it. They're getting vulnerable. They're being real.
Now coming out of the event, I have a lot more insight, a lot more clarity, a lot more confidence, and I can honestly say that it's been a huge gift. So thank you, Johnny.
This experience out here with these guys has been incredible. It's been so enlightening and epic for me to understand and get a clear vision of the things that are holding me back. For me to be able to really take charge of my life and fulfill my dreams and fulfill my purpose. There's not a better feeling. So I'm so grateful to Johnny and all these guys, beautiful brothers out here. They made a great space, so I'm really grateful.